Today's video, I'm going to show you how to download ChatGPT on your phone. Whether using iOS or Android, you can easily download the application of ChatGPT. You can see that the application is not available on the Play Store or the App Store. Previously, it was available on the Play Store, but however, now that has been removed. Maybe they will add it later on, but for now, you can try out a different solution. So for that, open up your Google Chrome web browsers and then search for chat.openai.com and then log into your ChatGPT account using the web browser. So just tap on login. Once you are logged into your ChatGPT, what you'll need to do now is tap on the three dots on the top right, and a menu will open up where you'll see an option of add to home screen. Tap on this option and you can name this anything that you want, and then tap on add. Once you tap on add, you can now head back to your home screen and you can see this shortcut has been now added to your phone. This is pretty much similar to using a application. Now whenever you tap on this application, it's gonna directly take you to this web browser where you'll be directly logged into your ChatGPT. So you'll no longer need to log into your ChatGPT. You can just tap on this application or this shortcut and it's gonna directly take you to your ChatGPT account. So that is the only solution as of now, and later on maybe ChatGPT will add it to the Play Store and the App Store. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be soon back with more informative videos similar to this. Until then, keep watching.